Today I'm coming to you from Bella Point, located just off of Ocean Highway East in Brunswick County, one of the East Coast's fastest growing areas. Bella Point is located in Bolivia, known for its close-knit community, friendly atmosphere, and small-town charm. If you're looking for a laid-back and relaxed lifestyle, this community is perfect for you. The area around Bella Point has so much to offer, with Oak Island being just 12 minutes from your doorstep. Fishing, boating, or enjoying the area's sandy beaches are right at your fingertips. Pop right into downtown Southport and enjoy dinner on the water, or even learn about the area's historical landmarks, or even tee off at a local world-class golf course. In addition to everything that this area has to offer, Bella Point has its own amenities, including a beautiful swimming pool, fitness room, and an outdoor fire pit right in your backyard. Bella Point has 4 main floor plans for sale right now. Our Aria, which is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, our Cali, which is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, our Hayden, which is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, and our newest plan, the Wren, which is a 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath. These plans range from 1,600 square feet to just under 2,600, and pricing starts in the low 300s. For a limited time, we're offering pre-sales in select communities. This means that you get to choose the perfect home site. Call us today and schedule a tour with a new home specialist to take advantage of our current incentives, pre-sale opportunities, and below-market interest rates.